Kjdcdc basong basa ha Assam hapok Shatri jong Khasi Jingiarap Development Council Demand Committee rengkat ke KSU Barak Bali ha kasi balang kilawan ban kerpa di umitrang ba ka Meghalaya Konrad ke songma ban ekran ban umitrang ba ka Assam ban penyo no da ka Development Council nak banta Kjdcc ha Assam. Habakram bakla patai kubor u President ka Development Council Demand Committee Assam ba es pakanten uloong ba umitrang ba ka Meghalaya mordo lokular ban ekran ban umitrang ba ka Assam halo ketika jingdawa ke jongki. Kat kemujitu jung uki Khasi basa ha Assam kiladan hadu kumba silak nyupo hajar haki laispa nyup sandili kishnong Henry habai dei bat karoi kapar pat bon kidang Sahdien habaro kiliang.
We gajin kwa jungi wan kumba tu lamba kumba ni dan po Assam silaf nyopo tam ki population din Khasi ini la nadu arjar khatbe ngila sedang menu fi bentar Khasi Jingiarap Development Council de kwa ban ka Assam ken ai ngi kata de lomba hadu menta kila apa cabinet committee ro atau 2000 arajat khatsam tambah hadu menta tempat ulang ngimut namaru siam de jongi ni bo don kita kecing sengau gini musim bola penjirap ini hadu jon haju don ulang bo namaru deru dari don hakaneda lomba coalition government kuma Yom North East Democratic Alliance. Jadi non kita expectation ro through jongku ula menira penyiaran yang bagi siam jongi cepa hako Assam tapi kita karena umur kita kami kemarin ula ular bangun ikram bagi siam Assam pada himandaro bisa semua ula ong bangun ikram coordinate patu pada halor kata gunang personal lu ikram kita. Iyo positive experience no siam sir. Kami nanti bukan ulang ni, bagi port right time dah. Amenities mah, basic needs, jongi lagi pay nak government development scheme, kini juga poi rak mang, mungkin poi jadi jaga Shnong jongi. Kidon Shnong tu mentah ni habiat itu dah lain mentah ni nak habiat jadi. Tentang lack of communication, help dong ngilang lekro. Kata culturally tu kata ngilang sak tim. Ni kuat on long ladang yo on dong konsul through kedis ngila penjirap iku bedu jungi bat halor kata cultural jungi ngila strong ini. Mukila pressure ke state government ban from government di development council pin by kata port di port congress ngerti berke i jumlah ta tindak ban ai kata almost ngila Asian airline ro 2015 16 17 ki ai ngit assurance so we beg but kita pembiam ni kata. Dan ikmel nanti lang kena kepor kila ai di dalam konsep untuk mai di don arlai tu lagi dalam konsep kila ai. Jadi ikmel nanti bagi ingin yo nama population pattern ni don kebun, but don gi tribesmen lang ni jari kiba kam tu naik ke population jengki kiba don rutha lai piu sampai wajar ki yo kata dalam konsep. Jadi ikmel nanti ya bersirung ni yo.
Laikren ru bad ujong sekretari ke KSU sengkme bad Donald Thaba ubapatai benia halo kate ke jingwan ke jungki.
Development Council Demand Committee, which is an organization seeking for the constituting of a development council for the Khasi tribe based in Barak Valley, the 3 districts of Kachar, Hailakandi and Karimganj. Because as have been noticed that the Assam government has been granting development councils to various minority tribes. And Khasis are also one of the minority tribes, so therefore they also seek a development council like other tribes. There were tribes which like the Montai speakers, the Moran, the Burman, then the others, they were granted the development councils, whereby through that development council grants were being given by the government of Assam for the purpose of development such as basic amenities like health, infrastructure, roads, and communication, electricity. If you go to Barak Valley, to the Khasi villages, they are mostly located in hilly areas, in remote areas, where there is very less connectivity, there is no roads, there is no water supply. Literally, there is no development, zero development in those areas. So if the development council is there, if it is being constituted by the government, whereby the government will nominate members in order to see through about the developmental activities in that area through the grants given by the government, then at least their dignity of living will be raised up to the standard up to some level. So this is what they're demanding. They have been demanding since 2011 with the previous government of Assam, but till date they have not received any assurance from the government of Assam for that development council. Therefore, as it is natural for the people to look up into their parent state. Say, for example, if the Mizos in Meghalaya will look up to the Mizoram government. So similarly, our Khasi brothers and sisters who are residing for more than 100 years there in Barak Valleys, they look up to the government. So what they did is that they met the CM, Sir Conrad Sangma, and they appealed to him to facilitate between the Khasi people and the government for the constitution of the demand committee, the development council, pardon me. So the government, during our discussion, he assured us that he will talk with his counterparts in Assam for that development council in Barak Valley for the Khasi tribe, and at the same time also he will try to set up a meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal, and the Himanta Biswa Sarma, so as they can air their grievances towards those people concerned in Assam.